is the beautiful looking living area. It's a nice cute looking kitchen. So yes, this is the beautiful looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and we are here today at Brigade El Dorado by Brigade Developers, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. We are going to do its 2 BHK and 3 BHK sample flat tour. Well, we are going to know a lot about the project in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. What exactly is Housey? Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared to different brokers and the result is you get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is such a real estate platform that the listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Let us now talk about the project. So this project, Brigade El Dorado, is going to be constructed on 50 acres of land parcel having 12 towers, out of which 9 towers have already been launched, and we are going to be talking about the 10th tower, which is called Dioro and which has ground plus 22 stories, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Let me also tell you that out of these 12 towers, 1 tower is going to be completely commercial and which is also going to be having St. John's Hospital in it as well. Now talking about the location, so this is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, which has Kempe Gowda International Airport just at a distance of 15 minutes drive, that is like 12 kilometers. They have Reva University, which is around a 10 minutes drive from this project. This project also has its own township, so there is going to be preschool, there is going to be multiplexes, there is going to be hospital in it as well. And then talking about different schools and colleges, so everything is at an easy connectivity of just like 10 to 15 minutes from this project. As well as if we talk about commercial spaces, so commercial spaces are also at an easy connectivity of 4 to 5 kilometers from this project. That means like just around a 15 minutes drive from this project. Well, so talking about the amenities, this project has to offer 80 plus amenities. So you can just imagine like the whole township is going to be having 80 plus amenities that includes an outdoor gym, a farm cafe, amphitheater, basketball court, skating rink, as well as you're going to be getting 2 clubhouses of 50,000 square feet each, and they are going to be the biggest clubhouses here in North Bangalore. As well as you can see the model, you're going to be getting multiple swimming pools as well and many more amenities. So yes, this is about the project. Now let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are going to do the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Dioro, which is of 592 square feet. But let me also tell you that they have a variant of 624 square feet as well. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, you can see this is the beautiful looking living area. Here is the dining area. Here is the seating area. It's a nice, spacious looking living room. And the cherry on the cake, wow, there is a beautiful balcony here. It's a nice big balcony wherein you can just sit and relax and have a leisure time, enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. So yes, you can just have a great time sitting in the balcony. It's a huge big balcony. Now let's go and see the kitchenette area. So yes, this is the kitchenette area. It's a nice cute looking kitchen wherein you get the stainless steel sink. There is a half French window as well, and just like how this sample flat has been made, like the kitchen has been made like a modular kitchen, you can customize it for yourself as well. And now let's go and see bedroom number 1, but before that, here is a common washroom. Let's go and see the washroom. Wow, it looks like a nice big spacious washroom, and as you can see that it also accommodates the washing machine as well. So that's like really a great part wherein you can just store the washing machine right inside the washroom. There is a small window here as well, like a for your ventilation. There is a small window, And as you can see, there are anti-skid tiles that have been given, as well as high-end sanitary fittings. And now let's go and see bedroom number 1. Let's go. So yes, this is a cute looking bedroom number 1. It's a nice spacious room. Here on our left, you can see there's an inbuilt wardrobe that's being made. So you can also customize it and make it as per your requirement. There is a space over there also. So you can just make such cupboards for your storage as well. And as you can see, half French windows have been given here for a good ventilation. You can just obviously make like a dressing table, a small dressing table over here. So that's really nice. And here also you can, use this place for a study. So that's really great as well. And now let's go to the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 2. But before that, let us know what actually does Housey do for us. Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. You get to know the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project. Like why is this project good for you? Why you should invest in this project? Why you should not invest in this project? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing with EMI and down payment details, and we also let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? Well, so after this, if you like the project and if you want to see the project, you can just book your free site visit in 3 simple clicks. You can just click on the link mentioned in the description. And now let's go and see how the master bedroom is. So yes, this is the beautiful looking master bedroom. As you can see, you're getting like an inbuilt wardrobe which you can make for yourself, as well as here also we get half French windows is what you can get here. And here, as you can see, it's like a sample that's been made, so you can just make a dressing table for yourself as well. And now let's go and see how the washroom is. The nice looking spacious washroom, anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and as you can see here, half French window is given for ventilation as well. So yes, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Brigade El Dorado's Dioro by Brigade Developers, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. How did you like the 2 BHK sample flat tour? Let us know in the comment section. And if you want to book your site visit, you can just go and register yourself on Housey.com. If you want to download the e-brochure, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description and download the e-brochure. And before going, do not forget the drill. Subscribe to our channel Housey for more details, for more updates and more videos. I'll see you in another video.
Queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.